Turn your debt into a life preserver. Do you know how banks make mega profits? Do you know how much they make on you? Would you like to reduce their profits by half? What would it mean to you if that money came home to your wallet or purse? To say that our nation has a debt crisis would be a massive understatement. Now, not only have we helped Americans completely eliminate $2.5 billion in debt, we've shown them how to leverage and grow it in the very same way the banks have been doing for years. What's required, you ask? A little time to watch a free webinar workshop at your convenience. A willingness to learn and follow 4 simple steps. Number 1, pay your minimums and bills as usual. Number 2, enjoy life. Don't change your spending habits. Number 3, send all your excess earnings to your personal savings bank account. And number 4, bank like a banker in just 1 year. To get started and transform your future financial legacy and become a hero to your family, type Build My Bank in the comments. I'll send a link with an email to get you all the info you need.